Most people get this wrong and end up stuck staring at a login screen that never activates Hulu, even though they already have Cox cable. Here's the truth no one tells you. The issue is not Hulu itself. It's how Cox bundles and activates streaming perks in 2026. Dial. In this video you'll learn exactly how to activate Hulu with Cox cable step by step, how to check if your plan includes Hulu access, and how to fix activation problems quickly so everything works without stress. Let's start right away. First, you need to confirm whether your Cox plan includes Hulu as part of your subscription or promotional bundle. Open the Cox app or go to the Cox website and log into your account. Head to the My Services or Entertainment Benefits section. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some Cox plans include Hulu Basic or bundle discounts, while others only give access through partner promotions. If you skip this step, you might try activating something your plan does not support. Next, if Hulu is included, you will see an option like Activate Hulu or Start Your Streaming Benefit. Click it. This will take you to Hulu's official activation page. Do not open the Hulu app first. That is one of the most common mistakes users make. Now you will be asked to sign in or create a Hulu account. Use the same email connected to your Cox account if possible. This is important because it links your billing and streaming access correctly in the system. But here's the problem many users face. The activation page sometimes freezes, loops, or fails to load. If that happens, don't panic. Clear your browser cache, switch to another browser, or try using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Also make sure you are fully logged into Cox before clicking the activation link again. Once activation is complete, download the Hulu app on your smart TV, phone, or streaming device. Sign in using the same email you used during activation. Your access should now be unlocked instantly. If you do not see any Hulu activation option inside Cox, it usually means your plan does not include it. In that case, you can still subscribe directly through Hulu or upgrade your Cox bundle to add it. Quick recap. Check your Cox plan first. Activate through the Cox portal, not the Hulu app. Use the same email for linking. Fix issues by switching browsers or networks. Then log into the Hulu app to confirm access. That's it. You now have Hulu working with Cox cable without confusion, double payments, or activation errors. If this helped, like the video, comment where you got stuck, and subscribe for more simple streaming setup guides just like this.